Hello, welcome back to this tutorial on database creation. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. So we created AustinDB in MySQL. You can see it here, AustinDB now. Okay. So we are now working on this file. So we can just go to this database. This is a collection of all the databases that I have created initially. So when you get to this database and click on it, so it's gonna open. You see, this is AustinDB now, localhost and AustinDB. So it wants you to create a table, and in every database is just a collection of tables that has data in it. So we're gonna have a table. So let's say I'm creating a table for this very form. See this form that I had created before, registration form. So I want to be creating a table for it. So I could just call it reg form table. So that's the name of the table, reg form table. So number of columns, how many fields do we want the table to contain? This can easily be known by you checking out the form. See, the form has only first name, last name, and age 3. It has 3 data to be submitted. So anytime you have 3, just write 4 here. If you have up to 4, you should write 5. So depending on the number of fields that you have in your registration or any form, just add it up 1, which we'll be using for the ID, which is the primary key. So if you're having only 3 fields, make sure you write 4 here. If you're having 6, make sure you write 7 here. So once you do that, just say go, so that your table can be created. So you see, this is your table now that is being created, and it has how many fields? 1, 2, 3, 4. So those 4 fields are going to be ID, first name, last name, then age. You see, so these are those things that you have on your form. These are our form. Our form will have first name, last name, age. That's why I'm having first name, last name, age with this ID included. So make sure that the type for the ID is integer, whereas the other ones you could always make them to be varchar. Okay, integer because it's a number, whereas the varchar because it can contain strings. So length for integer is normally 11. For varchar you could always use 100. It's okay. Good. So once you've done that, you've done almost everything. So just make sure that you get to here and choose index key, index to be primary.